Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 top unforgettable WWE moments in 2020. We saw so many ups and downs during the whole 2020 years. We also see the pandemic era and it forced WWE to change many things in the world. In the process of the changing, WWE all at his best to give many memorable WWE moments that are written in the history book now. So here we are with the top 5 unforgettable WWE moments. During this pandemic, WWE did some experiments with their products. Then as a result, we witnessed the new concept of cinematic matches, which has become the highlight of the year in pro wrestling world. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Edge historic WWE return at Royal Rumble 2020. We know how popular and loved Royal Rumble pay-per-view is. Fans eagerly wait for whole years for this pay-per-view. WWE planned many shocking and surprising moments for this Royal Rumble match. And we see one of the shocking moments in Royal Rumble 2020 match when Edge makes his WWE return after 9 years. As a 21st entrant in the Royal Rumble match, Edge music hits and fans erupt and they can't believe their eyes when Edge makes his way to the ring. Just like fans, WWE returns was also special for Edge. The way the fan welcome him, the night is clearly seen on Edge's faces. So this is one of the best WWE moment of 2020 as well as all the time. In 2011, on Raw episode, Edge cut his farewell promo and revealed that he has to take early retirement due to his neck injury. WWE doctor not allowed him to wrestle in fear of paralysis or even death. That night, Edge announced his retirement and relinquished WWE World Heavyweight Championship. So Royal Rumble 2020 always remains in our memory because of Edge WWE historic return. Number 4 is WWE WrestleMania 36 from Performance Center. WWE show of the year is WrestleMania. WWE plans so many big things and execute them at WrestleMania every year. We see top feuds for WrestleMania and dream matches at WrestleMania. At WrestleMania, new superstar rise high and top star becomes legends. Initially, WWE WrestleMania 36 took place at Raymond Stadium at Tampa, Florida, with around 90,000 attendance. But due to the pandemic situation, WrestleMania not going ahead as a plan. WWE also has to forcefully announce that WrestleMania 36 take place from WWE Performance Center instead of Raymond Stadium with only essential personnel in attendance. But WWE did one thing unique, which is always remembered by every fans, that is WWE made WrestleMania 2 nights event. On this show, matches are great if we talk about Edge vs Randy Orton match, Boneyard match and Firefly Funhouse match. The most liked match of WrestleMania 36 was Boneyard match between The Undertaker and AJ Styles. Fans also praises Edge vs Randy Orton match but somewhat unhappy with the length of the match. While Firefly Funhouse match get mixed reaction where fans unhappy because less wrestling in the match. So overall, WrestleMania 36 was the best show of the year which gives us few memorable moments. Number 3 is extreme and scary WWE things. We will get one benefit from pandemic era, that was WWE try think out of the box and produce many best WWE things during the whole years with some WWE matches and storylines. At Money in the Bank 2020 pay-per-view, WWE booked ladders match at corporate building at WWE headquarters. One more interesting thing WWE did that both men and women Money in the Bank briefcase match placed simultaneously. Participants start the match from ground floor of the building and on the way to top of the roof where both briefcases hanging at the top. That match was action-packed from start to end. The things take a drastic change when Baron Corbin threw two superstars Rey Mysterio and Aleister Black from top of the roof to the bottom. Fans are shocked at that moment when both men down top of to bottom. But it was revealed later that luckily both men falling just feet down the roof. Then comes another extreme and scary WWE moments of 2020 at Extreme Rule 2020 pay-per-view. WWE set match between Seth Rollins and Rey Mysterio with the unique stipulation of eye for an eye match. This is one of the scary and crazy match stipulation because the match ends only one way, that one superstar has to take off his opponent's eye from his head. Seth Rollins was the superstar who became victorious and when he left out eyes of Rey Mysterio from his head. Then comes scary and extreme moment of the year at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. WWE set a Firefly Inferno match between The Fiend and Randy Orton. The rules of this match are the match ends only one way, that one superstar set fire on his opponent and burn him down. So in the match ending, Randy Orton hit RKO to burning The Fiend and then put some gasoline on him and set a fire. The Fiend lay down in the middle of the ring, burning and flames dying out of him. That moment just reaches all the level of extremeness and scariness. This type of madness that fans remember for lifetime. Number 2 is Becky Lynch pregnancy announcement. Asuka won Women's Money in the Bank ladder match and become Miss Money in the Bank 2020. On the following night of Raw, Becky Lynch come down to the ring with MITV briefcase, and fans get excited about what Becky Lynch revealed with this briefcase. Then she invited Asuka into the ring and said that she does not win the title shot through Money in the Bank offer, but she won Raw Women's Championship. So from that moment, Asuka became the Raw Women's Champion. Both are starting to celebrate that moment. Then Becky Lynch announced that this is happened because she is pregnant and can't compete more in the ring. Asuka was surprised by Becky Lynch's announcement of pregnancy. Both women celebrate good news for both superstars with their special memorable moments of their life. 11 December 2020, it was announced by Becky Lynch that she birthed a baby of her and Seth Rollins. She shared picture of both Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins holding their newborn baby's hand. Number 1 is Roman Reigns' WWE return at SummerSlam 2020. One of the most shocking WWE moment of the year comes at SummerSlam 2020 when Roman Reigns makes his WWE return in destructive manner. Not just make WWE return by Roman Reigns, but in this process he turned heel and attacked both The Fiend and Braun Strowman. At the WWE return and after that he looks bigger, stronger, quicker and dominator than ever. Surprise not end here. Following week at SmackDown episode, WWE give one more shock when they revealed that Paul Heyman is a Roman Reigns special counselor. Then at Payback 2020, Roman Reigns defeated The Fiend and Braun Strowman and become the new Universal Champion. Then WWE give a gimmick of Tribal Chief to Roman Reigns during his feud with his cousin Jey Uso. Through his character change, not Roman Reigns evolved himself, but he also evolved Jey Uso's character and made him a main eventer on SmackDown. Roman Reigns shocking WWE returns after 6 months absence in such an explosive manner is one of the unforgettable WWE moments in 2020 year. Paul Heyman also adds more uniqueness and new excitement to Roman Reigns' character. There are still more to come from Roman Reigns' character yet, so exciting 2021 year ahead. So these are the top 5 unforgettable WWE moments in 2020 year. Hope you all like it and agree with us. If you have another choice, then write us in the comment section. So this is all from our today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.